Don't fail your driving test on following items. Never take both hands off steering wheel, whatever you're doing. A lot of people like to communicate with their hands, but avoid doing this at any cost in your driving test while your car is in motion, because they will terminate your driving test on the spot. Have at least one hand on the steering wheel, even when you are stationary. If you are turning right without a green arrow at a major intersection, you should not stop and wait for the arrow to reappear. You should go into the middle, give way to the opposite direction, and then proceed when it's safe to do so. You can move as far as the diamond-shaped painted lines, wait until the traffic clears, pay attention to the lights as well as the traffic coming from the opposite direction, and then proceed once it's safe to do so. In a moment, you will see a driver from the opposite direction who decided to stop and wait for the next green arrow, which is immediate fail in the driving test. By the way, that driver had the same situation as me. His red arrow dropped and he had to give way. Anticipate intersections such as roundabouts from a distance. If the blue car in this situation, if they are exiting, you don't need to wait for the white SUV on your right-hand side to proceed, because the blue car is shielding your path and it's obvious that they're exiting because the speed suggests that they are not remaining in this roundabout, they are clearly exiting. Take good opportunities without too much hesitation. You can improve your flow significantly by just observing from a distance. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you next time.